Good morning, students. So, students, yesterday we have completed the worksheet, and today again we are going to revise the chapter rational numbers. So, today we will find a rational number between the given two rational numbers. Okay. So, today's first problem is find a rational number between 2 and 3. So find a rational number between 2 and 3. So students, do you remember the formula that if x and y be two rational numbers, then a rational number between x and y is half of x plus y. So I hope you know the formula. So use this formula and find a rational number between 2 and 3. So solve it and send the answer, students. Students, I am waiting for the answer. So first solve it and send me the answer. Anup sent 5 by 2. Supriya sent 6 by 2. Muskan sent 6 by 2. Arpita 6 by 2. Aditi sent 6 by 2. Danish sent 6 by 2. Aditya Singh sent 5 by 2. So students, I will show the formula. If x and y are two rational numbers, then a rational number between x and y is half of x plus y. So this is the formula to find a rational number between two given rational numbers. So using this formula, find the answer. Okay, two students have sent that 5 by 2 is the answer, and maximum students have sent that 6 by 2 is the answer. So just use this formula and check by yourself that it is 6 by 2 or 5 by 2. Okay, then I will solve it. Two students have sent 5 by 2 and some students have sent 6 by 2. So check by yourself by using this formula, by using this property. Check by yourself that it is 6 by 2 or 5 by 2. Chris just sent 5 by 2. Tanisha 5 by 2. Supriya 5 by 2. Now Supriya I think sent again 5 by 2. Okay, first time Supriya has sent that 6 by 2 and right now she has sent 5 by 2. Kumkum 5 by 2. Kumkum, be regular. Okay, you must attend our class regularly. Kumkum, be regular. So now I will solve it. So here the given rational numbers are 2 and 3. So a rational number between 2 and 3 is half of 2 plus 3, so is equals to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay, now solve the another one. I will give you a similar problem. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So solve it and send me the answer, students. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Anup sent 7 by 24. Tanisha 7 by 24. Supriya, Krish, Shreya 7 by 24. Kumkum 7 by 24. Aditya Singh, Arpita, Aditi 7 by 24. So all the students have sent 7 by 24. Well done, students. Students, listen carefully that tomorrow I will take your class on Google Meet. Okay, I repeat once again, tomorrow I will take your class on Google Meet. So everyone must install Google Meet app. And tomorrow if you have any question or any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so I can see that maximum students have sent 7 by 24. So I must solve it. So here x is equals to 1 by 4 and y is equals to 1 by 3. So a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 is half of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So is equals to half of, now do the LCM of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So here the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 3 multiply 1 is 3. And similarly 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 multiply 1 is 4. So is equals to half of 7 by 12, so is equals to 7 by 24 is the correct answer. Well done students, you have done well, you have sent correct answer. Now solve the next one. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Now solve it and send me the answer, students. So students, this portion is very important. You must practice it at your home, because in your midterm exam I will give you a math from this portion, so you must practice it. Anup sent minus 1 by 12. And maximum students, that Kumkum, Tanisha, Chris, Supriya, Aditya, Arpita also sent minus 1 by 12. Okay, I must check it. So a rational number between 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 is half of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, it should be plus of minus half, but plus minus minus, that is why I am writing minus. Okay, so half of, now calculate it, LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 multiply 1 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 multiply 1 is 3. Okay, now half of minus 3 and plus 2, it is minus 1, so minus 1 by 6 is equals to 1 in multiply minus 1 is minus 1, and 6 multiply 2 is 12. So minus 1 by 12 is the correct answer. Well done students. Now solve the next one. Problem number 4. Find 3 rational numbers now you have to find 3 rational numbers. Okay, 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So find 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So solve it and send me the answer, students. Find 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So I will tell you that how to solve it. So at first you must convert these denominators into same denominators. Okay, So convert both the rational numbers into same denominators, and after this here you have to find three rational numbers. So you have to multiply then both the rational numbers by 4. Okay, when you have to find three rational numbers, then you have to multiply with 4. Aditya sent 33 by 48, 34 by 48 and 35 by 48. Okay, maximum students have sent the same answer. Okay, now I will solve it. So at first we must convert both the rational numbers into same denominators. So we must multiply it. Here you can see that it is 3 and it is 4. So we must multiply it by 4 and it should be multiplied by 3. So 2 by 3 multiply 4. So if we multiply 3 with 4, then we have to also multiply the denominator with 4. And similarly, if we multiply this denominator by 3, then we have to also multiply the numerator with 3. Okay. Now it is 8 by 12 and it is 9 by 12. Okay. Now the denominators are same, but 9 comes after 8. So there are no numbers between 8 and 9. So we have to find three numbers. So that is why we have to multiply both the rational numbers by 4. I repeat once again, when we have to find three rational numbers, then we have to multiply both the rational numbers by 4. So 8 multiply 4 by 12 multiply 4 and 9 multiply 4 by 12 multiply 4. So it should be 32 by 48 and it is 36 by 48. Now you can see that there are three numbers between 32 and 36, that 33, 34 and 35. Okay, therefore the required rational numbers are the required rational numbers are 33 by 48, 34 by 48 and 36 by 48. Okay. Now if you want, you can divide both the numbers by a common number. So here we have to we can divide both the numbers by 2, and here also we can divide both the numbers by 4. And again by 3. So the numbers are 33 by 48, 17 by 24 and 'Okay students, we need not to divide the rational numbers by a common number because 3 by 4 will come. So it is I think it is not correct. So you should leave it. You should write the answer that 33 need not to divide the numbers. So you must write 33 by 48, 34 by 48 and 36 by, it is 35 by, okay, 35 by 48. So I made a mistake over here. It should be 35. Okay, it should be 35. It is not 36. So it is 33 by 48, 17 by 24 and 35 by 48. So these are the three rational numbers. Okay, 33 by 48, 17 by 24 and 35 by 48. Rilan, it is the process. It's a process. Okay. If you want, you can multiply more than 3. You can multiply with 4, you can multiply with 5, you can multiply with 6. So need not to multiply only with 4. Okay, you have to multiply a number which is greater than 3, because you have to find 3 rational numbers. So you have to multiply the rational numbers by a number which is greater than 3. Okay. So if you want, you can multiply it with 5, you can multiply with 6, no problem. Okay, so I will give you a similar one. Find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. So find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. Now solve it, students, and send me the answer. Find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. So at first you must take the numbers as 4 by 1 and 5 by 1. So its denominators are 1. Okay, and these are the same denominators. Now you have to find 3 rational numbers. So you have to multiply both the numbers by a number which is greater than 3. I repeat once again that the denominators are same. Now you have to multiply both the numbers by a common number such that the number is greater than 3. Okay, so I can see that some students already sent that 17 by 4, 9 by 2 and 19 by 4. Anup sent 13 by 30, 14 by 30 and 15 by 30. Okay, so you multiplied both the numbers by 30. But maximum students have sent that 17 by 4, 9 by 2 and 19 by 4. One students have sent 17 by 4, 18 by 4 and 19 by 4, and this is also correct. But 18 by 4 you can divide both the numbers by 2 and then it will come 9 by 2. Okay, so I must solve it. Now after this we have to find 3 rational numbers, so we can divide both the numbers by 4. So 4 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 4. Now it is 16 by 4 and it is 20 by 4. So here you can see that in between 16 and 20 there are 3 numbers, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so therefore the required numbers are 17 by 4, 18 by 4 and 19 by 4. So this implies 17 by 4, 9 by 2 and 19 by 4. Any doubt, students? No doubt. Okay. So solve another one. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So students, just now I have told you that when you have to find 3 rational numbers, then you have to multiply a number which is greater than 3. But it is not always correct. At first you must search that is there any numbers in between the rational numbers or not. If there are no numbers, then you must multiply with this number. Okay. So here you can see that the number was 4 and 5. So in between 4 and 5 there are no numbers. So that is why we have to multiply both the numbers by 4. I repeat once again that in between 4 and 5. So 5 comes after 4. So there are no numbers in between 4 and 5. So that is why we have to multiply both the numbers by 4. But here, after converting the denominators into same denominators, I think there are some numbers. Okay, I will show you. Arpita asked me, sir, we have to find 10 rational numbers, then we have to multiply with 11. No, need not to multiply this with 11. Okay, I will show you. So here, at first we have to convert both the denominators into a same denominators. So -3 by 4 should be multiplied with 3 and 5 by 6 should be multiplied with 2. So here it is -9 by 12 and it is 10 by 12. So here students, you need not to multiply these numbers. You need not to multiply these numbers because in between -9 to 10 there are lots of number. Okay, I repeat once again that in between -9 and 10 there are lots of numbers. So you need not to multiply these rational numbers with any number. So after -9 it will -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in between -9 and 10, in between -9 and 10 there are lots of number. There are more than 10 numbers. So you can take any 10 numbers out of this. Okay, I repeat once again, we can take any 10 numbers out of this. So the required rational numbers are one should be taken minus 7 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 7 by 12. Okay, so you can take any 10 numbers out of these. So I hope you understood, students. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students, or else I will end today's class. Okay, no doubt. Very good, students. Okay, thank you, students. I am going to end today's class.